as you see, the triangle is here. This triangle is equal to 180 degrees, right? So we're trying to find what is x. In order for you to find that, you have to write it out. So we're going to write it out as 75 degrees plus 55 degrees plus x is equal to 180 degrees. We put 180 degrees because this triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So now, all you're going to do is get x by itself. So 75 degrees plus 55 degrees gives you 130 degrees plus x equals 180 degrees. Now from here, remember you want to get x by itself. So you are going to subtract 130 from here and move it over here. So you're going to subtract 130 from both sides. Once you do that, you get x is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. Now, after you do that, once you do the math, x is equal to 50 degrees. Now, if you have to show how to check your work, all you have to do is plug it in. And now it would just be 75 plus 55 plus 50. That gives me 180 degrees. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you.